everyone, welcome to Limeroad Beauty. I am back with the wedding series. I know there are lots of functions that you need to attend now that it's Shadi season. Today's video is specifically for a Mehendi event. There are beautiful green hues that I've used in today's look. So I hope that you enjoy it and I'm able to recreate it. How easily you can create that complete eye makeup look using just this palette from Wet n Wild. This is the shade Comfort Zone, and even if you're on a tight budget, this one is super affordable. I hope you guys have a very glam Shadi season. Keep coming back for more such videos. See you next time.